The IANA organization at ICANN is responsible for the IANA functions, and there are three primary functions. One of them has to do with maintaining registries for the protocol parameters. One is for distribution of IP addresses and autonomous system numbers, as well as maintaining the registries that keep a list of who's gotten what. And then the third function is changes to the root zone of the DNS name system. So those are primarily the three functions that the IANA department is involved with. The IANA function is basically in support of the internet infrastructure itself. So it's really applying the protocol parameters that are used so that computers can talk to each other and that they can interact, so that anyone who's going to develop a hardware or software that needs to run on the internet, phone devices, anything that's going to use the internet, they have a common set of ways to communicate. And most people don't know anything about that. I mean, when you type in your web name for browsing the web, you don't realize that then that's going to get translated to an IP address that's then going to be routed using a routing protocol, which comes out of the protocol parameter specifications. All those things are kind of behind the scenes. It's a little like when you turn on your water faucet. You know water comes out, but you're not really sure how the plumbing works. So we do plumbing. So the IANA follows and implements the policies that have been agreed upon by the 5 RIRs, the Regional Internet Registries. They each individually within their regions develop policies for how to distribute numbers. Then they all get together and they say, oh, do we need a global policy to get a distribution from the IANA pool of free numbers? And so they then get together, they agree upon a global policy, and then they ask the IANA department at ICANN to implement that global policy.